Hello, this is Stephen Escheba again, and I'm here to help you out with the second part, which has to do with secondary structure of peptides and proteins. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build a polypeptide chain comprised entirely of alanine. And to do that, I'm going to jump to Spartan here. I'm on the peptide panel here. Sequence is done, and now here's alanine. I just click it a bunch of times. Now I'm just, as you can see, I've already put on the alpha helix torsion angle selector. So now I click in here, and there we go. Now what I've actually already done in this is I turned on the tube view and also the ribbon view. And what you can see from this, of course, is that we've got hydrogen bonding internally to the alpha helix, and then we've also got these R groups, in this case alanine, sort of showing up on the exterior of that alpha helix. So that's the first part of that, and you'll construct a couple of alpha helices to compare that way. I'm going to go to a different part because I would like to show you how to set up the beta sheets. So I am going to clear that molecule and click over here on beta sheets now, and we'll still do alanine, and I think that looks pretty good. So here we have a beta sheet. Once again, I've activated the tube and the ribbons, which you might have to do. And if I wanted to make sure that it was just right, I would click on this terminate, and there we go. And as you can see, here's the N terminus on this side, and there's the C terminus on the other side. And you can see that on one side of the beta strand, there are half of the R groups point up, and the other half the other point up or point down. And the last little bit of this that I want to show you after I get this in orientation is you want to orient it in such a way that the ribbon is facing toward you like this. And having done so, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another beta strand, and we do that by just clicking over here, and there we go. And I believe I've already turned on the hydrogen bonding, so I can see what's going on. Now there's no hydrogen bonding evident yet, but as we go through this, let's see, I still want to terminate it. Let's see if that works right. Alright, now on my Mac, I hold down a Control Apple button, and that allows me to move this along. And you can see that it forms hydrogen bonds in a certain pattern with respect to the first beta sheet when you have it in just the right position. Now I'm going to let off the Control Option button so I can move the whole thing together. And you can see that we've begun to form a two strands of beta strands coupled together by hydrogen bonds, which is the beginning of a beta sheet.